that drop ball. It comes in and it just goes down. That one didn't go down so much. Might have been a curve, but her accuracy later in the count's a little better than early in the count. She'll improve on that. She's still young. She's only a sophomore.
Michelle Harrison at the plate from Bloomington, Illinois. That one in there for a strike.
Come on, Mark.
Here we see Harrison, the slapper, showing bunt and then going to the running slap, just trying to move the defense around.
And as you might imagine, we're watching the defense creep up just a bit. Takes a swing at that one, down 0-2 now.
One thing I'll notice with the Oregon Duck lineup is with more out there pitching, you have to be able to line up cards with designated player.
It's great to have speed in your lineup. It just does so much for a team. It puts pressure on the defense. You can start runners in motion on the bases. It just helps, but you got to get speed on base.
And she takes a chop, and that just may be good enough for the base hit, and it is. And Michelle Harrison is aboard for Illinois State.
That's a good job, Harrison, with 2 strikes. And nice job of hitting right there. Terrific defensive play by Howard, keeping that ball in the infield. But with the speed of Harrison, there really was no play after she laid out like that. But look at her. She comes up ready to make a throw instead of just laying out for it.